Our next movement, this is easier than it looks. Put one hand up, just mirror me here, one hand down. Switch. One down, one up, one down, one up, one down, one up, one down, one up. All right, here we are. Now shift over to the right and turn your waist a little. Down and up. Shift to the left and turn the waist a little. Notice the alignment. Change the hands. Over to the right. Change to the left. Change right. Change left. Change right. Change left. Change right. Change left. Excellent. Now go ahead and pull your right hand up. When we walk, we're not going to move the arms at all. I don't want to confuse you with all that. When we walk, you're just going to step over, kind of like we did before, and follow. Step, follow, step, and follow. Notice the direction we're moving, this hand is up. So if we're moving to the right, our right hand is up. Change. Step left, shift left. Step left, shift left. Step left, shift left. Change. Right, right, right. Change. Left, left, left. Change. Right, right, right. Change. Left, left, left. Brilliant. So now, let's put this together. We are here. We step, just like we did, and follow. Change, little turn of the waist. Change, step, and follow. Change, little turn of the waist. Change, step, and follow. Change. We'll go back. Step. Switch. Back. Switch. Step. Switch. Back. Switch. Step. Switch. Back. Switch. Step. And back we come. Switch. Back. Excellent. And we will inhale, exhale. Go ahead and pause if you need to work on that a little bit, and come right back and we'll tie it all in. So now we just need to tie this together. From here, open, close. I will mirror you now into the right leg. Step out and across. Now here, my weight is over the left leg. Your right leg is basically free. You're gonna bring this leg in with the arm. So go ahead and do that a couple times. In, out, in, switch, step, and over. Good. We're here. Go ahead and link up with me. In, switch, across. Again, we're here. Weight is over the left leg. Arms are out. We bring this right arm and the right leg in together. Change, step back to the right. I'll do it again a couple times from the back. Here we are. We're sinking into the right leg. We step to the left. And we shift our weight over, opening the arms. This right leg here comes in with the right arm. That's our movement. We have our weight here, we bring it in, in, in. There you go, just follow me, get a feel for this. In, switch, across. And from here, we just do what we did before. Over, change, back, change, over. All right, let's do it again. We're here, we open and close, sink in, step out, glide across. In, over. Excellent.